Make a great choice today with the 2018 BMW X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention.
This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth,
Panoramic moonroof,
power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.